A client called me today and we have a mediation scheduled, and they wanted to know, what is a mediation? What do I have to do as an injury client to prepare for the mediation? And the answer is, it depends on the type of mediation. It depends on what you need to convey at the mediation. A mediation is an opportunity to get a case settled that's in litigation. Typically, they're done by Zoom after COVID. They used to be old school. You used to have to fly all over or drive to wherever the defendants were, wherever the insurance companies were. And you'd spend your whole day driving there, and then if it didn't work, psychologically that was like a takeaway, and the insurance companies loved pulling that trick. Nowadays, you just open your Zoom, open your laptop, and you can take it from the comfort of your home, and you can sit there while the lawyers are negotiating. And that's really what a mediation is. It's a back and forth with a neutral. A mediator, it's not binding. A mediator is someone that both sides have picked, who they decide is a fair person, who knows the type of area law you're dealing with. So in an injury case, you want someone who's either been a defense lawyer who knows the inner workings of the insurance world, or a highly regarded plaintiff's lawyer who's done years of personal injury, or an ex-judge. Those can be the type of people that are mediators. And you want to have a good opportunity to settle the case at mediation, and that means the case has to be ripe. And that means your lawyer has to have had all the ducks lined up, and you have to have everything ready to go so that the mediation can be successful. And what that requires is giving the insurance company as much information as early as possible so they can get authority, because oftentimes they'll show up at a mediation and the insurance company will offer, X as the top dollar, and that's not even close to the value of the case. And the reason most of the time that happens is because they haven't got the proper authority. And if you haven't given them if your lawyer hasn't given them the proper documents, they haven't taken the depositions, they haven't gotten expert reports, the case hasn't been worked up properly with the right experts, then the value of the case is only based on what's in the file of the adjuster. And the adjuster have to justify their valuation to higher ups. That's called getting authority. They round table it. They go into a room with 10 of their bosses, and they justify why, when they go to a mediation, they're going to offer you X for a case. We are experts at preparing our clients for mediation and also at preparing for mediation. We often settle cases at mediation. Sometimes they don't. Sometimes we go to trial. But our goal is to get cases settled for top dollar at mediations. And so that's what we told our client. And if you have any questions about a mediation, or you have questions about litigation or personal injury case, you know where to find us. Thanks.